Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Nova Y61, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. Okay, your device is slowing down because you have put the load this device can't handle with it, or because you are not taking good care of your device. So now I will teach you how to keep your device always in good condition, how to keep fit your device. So first you can do is not to fill your memory over 70%. So when you are filling your internal storage over 70%, your device starting to slowing down. So I suggest to check how much space is enabled for you. So open settings, find here storage, and as you can see, used only 30%. So my device is in good condition. But if you have over 70%, you need to clean up your device. So firstly, remove your unused applications, remove unused games, and of course you need to, if you have many photos and videos, you need to share this, you need to upload these photos and videos to the cloud storage or to your hard drive on your PC. So I suggest to try to use cloud storages. For example, Google Drive gives you 15 megabytes for free, but in HUAWEI devices there is a problem with synchronizing Google Photos with normal HUAWEI gallery. So you can try Mega Drive, for example. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free. Of course, you can you have 5 gigabytes for free from HUAWEI storage, HUAWEI Cloud, but 5 gigabytes it's less than 15 and 50. Okay, so you can try other cloud storages. You can try Trashbox storage, you can try Amazon storage. So let's try several cloud storages and find the best cloud for you. Okay, the second aspect that can slow down your HUAWEI device is the lack of RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who invests in the device with more temporary storage. So if you want to speed up your RAM, just click on the square button and click on the trash button. Your device is now in optimal conditions. You can see it because we have freed our RAM. So the next step you can do is to remove harmful files from your device. Applications in the Android operation system, in the HUAWEI operation system, in Fuchsia operation system, applications leaving a lot of junk, unnecessary files. So these files are not noticeable for average user, but special programs like this program, like Optimizer built-in application, can find these files and remove. So just open this application, click clean up, and this application will find junk files. So as you can see here, we have junk files, 84 megabytes, and just click clean up junk files. Okay, junk files was successfully cleared. Here you can find duplicate files, so the same files you have downloaded or you have created. You can clean up these files. For example, I have several of the same applications, so I want to remove 2 duplicates, and that's it. I hope I have helped you, and if I have helped you, so please leave a like, give me a like, subscribe to our channel, and bye.